Jacob, this shit crack.
Yeah, that's Louis.
Wait. Yeah. It's Young Langy, baby. Are you the one for me? How can this really be more than a fantasy? You mean the world to me. You're like my ecstasy, and girl, you set me free, and I just wanna be everything you need. I mean, nothing you see. I mean, I hope you see that we were meant to be. And girl, I wanna know, are you down to roll with me? Baby girl, I just gotta know, are you down to set me free? Baby girl, won't you back it up, baby girl, watch me smack it up, baby girl. And once you had enough, baby girl, we can take this back for a nightcap. Girl, I know you probably like that, you ain't even gotta hide that. Yeah, she losing all control of her body and her soul, whoa. But I wanna know, are you down to roll with me? Baby girl, I just gotta know, are you down to set me free? Are you the one for me? How can this really be more than a fantasy? You mean the world to me. You're like my ecstasy, and girl, you set me free, and I just wanna be everything you need. I mean, nothing you see. I mean, I hope you see that we were meant to be.
Yeah, it's Sione. Baby, I am not the talking type. Just one question, can I change your life? Many men tried, only I made your night. You would think that I'm a plumber, way I lay that perk. Girl, I don't mind it when you call me boyfriend. Can't tell me you're the one I need more than just a pretty face, cause under could be poison. You want me cause I ain't on unemployment, yeah. Jump down if you wanna take a leap. One round, I can sweep you off your feet. Out of town, finding things ain't cheap. Brother, women counting sheep on me, now they can't sleep. I know you looking for the keys, for a door that's gonna give you what you need. You like the way I roll around without a team. It's just me, baby.
Are you the one for me? How can this really be more than a fantasy? You mean the world to me. You're like my ecstasy, and girl, you set me free, and I just wanna be everything you need. I mean, nothing you see. I mean, I hope you see that we were meant to be.